from Free IT Education. In this lecture, if you are interested to format a text in a web page and you want to start your career in web designing, web development, so this lecture is for you. In this lecture, we're going to talk about how to format a text. In the last lecture, we talked about paragraph. So you need to watch the first lecture before you understand this tag. So this tag is about paragraph. And in the next one, what we're going to learn how to add another tag within a tag. So it means that at outside it is a paragraph. So this is a paragraph, okay? But I want to bold this text, which is this text is bold, okay? So when you write this tag, B stands for bold, start, you need to end it before the end of the paragraph. So this will impact this text and it will be bold, and you can see that. Here you can see that. So this text is bold. So this is the impact of writing this tag, okay? The next thing we're going to learn about, if you want to make a text strong and like an emphasize, this text is important. So another tag you're going to learn, this is called strong. So the strong and start and end, you need to put that between a paragraph, okay? So first you need to write a paragraph tag and then the strong will be within that, okay? So if you do that, so this will basically make it like that. It is a kind of a bold thing, okay? So the next thing, if you are interested to format your text and want to make it italic, so sometimes you have a requirement in the web page, so you can use I stands for italic, but that should be within the paragraph, okay? And what will be the impact of this text here? So you see here, so this is a normal paragraph and this is italic, and you can see the difference. That's how it is italic, okay? The next thing we're going to learn is about emphasizing a text. So this is a normal paragraph and this is EM, and which is basically a tag, HTML tag. This is basically called a tag. So emphasizing a text, so you need to put a EM tag around this text, and the impact will be, as you can see, that this text is emphasized, okay? So that's how it's different. This is normal, this is emphasized. So the next one, we're going to learn about how to make a text very small in your web page. So there's another tag called small. So if you are interested to make a text very small, so then you need to put it a small tag within the paragraph, and the impact of this would be, you can see that this text is very, very small, okay? And I'm just zooming in. Okay, the next one we're going to learn about, if you want to, do not forget to buy milk and you want to just market this milk. So as you just use an enlighter, in a digital way to enlight a text is use a mark and in your web page. So mark is a tag, okay? So what will be the impact of this thing? As you can see that milk is highlighted, and if you want to do it again onto another text, so you can just say again as mark, and you can do more than one mark into this, and if you rerun that, so what will happen, it will just highlight to text, okay? So the next thing is if you want to delete it out a text, which is just like strike through, so there is a tag called del, and the purpose of this will be, it will just strike through, it will delete that tag, so that the favorite color is, so you want to say not blue but red, so then you can use the del tag. And what will be the impact of this? So this will be strike through, which means like a deleted text, okay? And if you want to, the next thing is, sometimes you say that I want to delete this and but insert something red. What is the function of insert? Tag is basically underline that, so it means saying that my favorite color is, you strike through that and say my favorite color is red. This is basically just like commenting a text, okay? The next thing you're going to learn about is called superscript. Superscript is basically like saying 2 to the power. So if we say 2 to the power 2, so you put in this and then you write it 2, and then you just uh, close that super tag subscript superscript, and then you close that, and if you rerun that, so what we're going to see, it will basically write it like that, 2 to the power 2, and here is an example of the other paragraph. um, so the second last thing is we're going to learn is a subscript, which is basically a formula of H, and you want to say H2O, which is the formula for water. uh, so you can do subscript here, and then you write it O here, so O here, and you close that and you rerun that. So what will happen, so you will see the 2 has come as a subscripted, and here is a example at the above. And here is the last thing. Here what we have shown, we have used more than one tags: a bold tag, an italic tag, and a superscript, subscript, and a superscript, and that how it will appear in your HTML page. I hope this has been informative. We have covered quite important tags in HTML, which will format your text in the web page. If you master these things, so then you can format your HTML pages. Stay tuned for future lectures. Abdurrahim Khan from Free IT Education. Bye for now.